Hello students, welcome to Dr. Sanjay Singh Biology tutorial. Today now we are going to discuss the new topics, the cell. Cell is what? Cell is the unit of life. First of all, what is the definition of the cell? Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Functional unit of life. Unit of life. तो सेल किसी भी ऑर्गेनिजम्स के स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शन दोनों को परफॉर्म करते हैं. फर्स्ट रॉबर्ट हुक, दिस इज द फर्स्ट साइंटिस्ट. रॉबर्ट हुक 1665 coined the term cells. Actually observation of cell is cell wall. Robert Brown's, this is another scientist, Robert Brown, 31, first of all coined the term nucleus. What is the nucleus? Nucleus is the center part of the cell. It is also known as controlling part of the cell. Controlling part of the cell. Part of the cell. इस तरह से हमें कह सकते हैं कि देयर आर टू scientists. First of all, Robert Hooke discovered the terms cell. After that, Robert Brown in 1831 coined the terms nucleus. Nucleus is what? Nucleus is the controlling part of the cell. Cell theory proposed by two scientists. Cell theory. What is the cell theory? The two scientists discovered or proposed the cell theory in M.J. Sliden and T.S. Swan in 1838 and 1839. Both are belonging to Germany. T.S. Sliden is the German botanist, and T.S. Swan is a German zoologist. And both the scientists propose the cell theory and say that cell is what? Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Cell theory is also known as cell doctrine. मतलब इन्होंने क्या किया, इन दोनों साइंटिस्टों ने पूरी सेल की डॉक्ट्री कर डाली कि सेल क्या है और इसके क्या फंक्शन है और ये क्या परफॉर्म करता है. तो उन्होंने कहा कि ऑल द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म is made up of cell and every living organism structure and functions both perform. After J.E. Purkinje in 1839 coined the terms protoplasm. What is protoplasm? First of all, protoplasm क्या है? Protoplasm is the physical basis of life. And protoplasm is made up of two components. First is the cytoplasm, another is the nucleus. both are included under protoplasm. Another scientist, Waldeyer. This is the another scientist, Waldeyer. Waldeyer, 1888, coined the terms chromosome. 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 Chromosome क्या है? Chromosome is a type of genetic material. Is a type of genetic materials presents all living organisms. ये सारे लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म से प्रेजेंट होता है. दे आर प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द न्यूक्लियस. मतलब ये न्यूक्लियस के अंदर पाए जाते हैं. व्हाट इज द मॉडर्न वर्जन ऑफ द सेल थ्योरी? एक जो मॉडर्न कंसेप्ट था, मॉडर्न वर्जन ऑफ सेल थ्योरी. पॉइंट 1, all the living organisms is made up of cell. This is the first important characteristics of modern version. Second important points, cell is what? Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. This is the second important things. And third important points, cells contains genetic material, and genetic material that is known as chromosomes or DNA. They can pass from one cell to another cell by cell division. This is the third important property of the modern version of the cell theory. This is the last important property of the modern version of the cell theory. All cells arise from pre-existing cell. Pre-existing cell means वह अपने एंसेस्ट्रल से ऐसे सेल जो अराइज होते हैं, ऐसे सेल को हम बोलते हैं, ऐसे टर्म्स को हम बोलते हैं pre-existing cell. This is the modern version of the cell. This is the modern concept of the cell theory. जब ये सेल थ्योरी की बात चल रही थी तो उस समय मोस्ट ऑफ द ऑर्गेनिजम्स, लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म, दे आर प्रेजेंट इन द नेचर्स. जो प्रेजेंट थे वह follow the cell theory, but the some living organisms present in the natures do not follow cell theory. This is the exceptions of cell theory. कौन कौन से ऐसे organisms थे जो सेल थ्योरी में फिट नहीं बैठते थे? क्योंकि से अकॉर्डिंग टू सेल थ्योरी ट्रू सेल एंड फॉल्स सेल, कोई भी अगर ये ट्रू सेल है तो ट्रू सेल हैविंग 3 important components. The outer component is known as cell membrane. उसके पास membrane होना चाहिए. The second thing is known as cytoplasm, and third is known as nucleus. अगर प्लांट सेल की हम बात करते हैं तो वहाँ पर सेल वॉल्स आर प्रेजेंट, वहाँ पर सेल वॉल होगी. Basically only found in plants, but in general all the animal cell having 3 important components. For here is there some simple diagrams of the animal cell. In the center area nucleus are present, and outer surface, the outer covering is known as cell membrane, and here this part is known as cytoplasm, and the inner part is known as nucleus. This is the true cell. इसी को हम ट्रू सेल के नाम से भी जानते हैं. तो कुछ ऐसे लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स दे आर प्रेजेंट इन द नेचर्स डू नॉट हैविंग true cell like property. So that is known as exceptions of cell theory, exceptions of cell theory. The first, viruses do not fit on the cell because the viruses are acellular structure, lack of nucleus as well as cytoplasm both. Second, living organism, bacteria, blue green algae, bacteria, blue green algae do not possesses cellular structure, cellular structure because nuclear membranes are absent. Similar way, this is the third exceptions में आपको आएंगे म्यूकर, rhizopus, Vaucheria, this is the algae. म्यूकर एंड rhizopus both are the fungus. ये दोनों फंगस थे, ये algae था. They are multinucleated, not a uninucleated. According to true cell, every cell having single nucleus, but in here one cell consists many nuclei. This is the exceptions of the cell theory. इस तरह से यहाँ पर cell theory ये finish होता है. After that, overview of the cell theory. What is the overview? General introduction about the cell. That is known as overview of the cell theory. And overview of cell theory, not cell theory, overview of the cell. According to cell, basically there are two type of cells found in the natures. First is prokaryotic cell. Another is the eukaryotic cell. What do you mean by prokaryotic cell? Pro means होता है primitive nucleus. Karyons means nucleus. Primitive nucleus present in the living organism. It means आप ये कह सकते हो nuclear membranes यहाँ पर absent होती है, but in here well nucleus present in the eukaryotic. This is the basic main differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, as well as membrane bound cell organelles absent, but like for example endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus or bodies apparatus, lysosome, many cell organelles are absent, but in here membrane bound cell organelles present. Cell organelles present. यहाँ पर सारे cell organelles present होते हैं. In here only one cell organelles are found, that is known as 70S ribosomes are present in here. This is the non-membranous cell organelles found in the prokaryotic cell, but in here the 80S ribosomes are found. Some side differences between them. And what is the function of the ribosome? This is the main function of the ribosome is known as protein synthesis. This is some basic differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. After that, if you consider plant and animal cell, here is the one examples of the plant cell. अगर हम plant cell and animal cell both are belonging to the eukaryotic cell, because the eukaryotic cells are well developed, ये well developed होते हैं. The plant cells may one examples that is known as onions. The plant cell having cell walls are present. एंड इन एस ऑफ एनिमल सेल, अगर हम एनिमल सेल का ऑब्जर्वेशन करते हैं, एंड दिस इज द वन एग्जांपल ऑफ द एनिमल सेल दैट इज नोन एज चिक सेल. चिक सेल, सेल वॉल्स एब्सेंट, सेल वॉल एब्सेंट. यहाँ पर द आउटर मेम्ब्रेन, सबसे बाहर की जो तरफ मेम्ब्रेन्स होती है, दैट इज नोन एज सेल मेम्ब्रेन्स प्रेजेंट. Cell membranes present, and here is also cell membrane present. Cell membrane present. यहाँ पर भी आपको ये चीज़ें पाई जाती हैं. तो एंड आफ्टर दैट स्ट्रक्चर आर प्लांट सेल एंड एनिमल सेल mostly similar with each other. Some slight differences takes place in the plant cell. In the animal cell, centrioles presents, बाकी सभी सेम होते हैं. And here centrioles absent, centrioles absent. In the plant cell, the another cell organelles that is known as plastid present, but in here plastid absent नहीं होते हैं. तो some basic differences between plant cell and animal cell. After that, if you see the structure of different type of cell, तो उनके स्ट्रक्चर्स में भी वेरिएशंस मिलता है. इस तरह से आप कह सकते हो कि cells differs greatly, shape, size, structure. तब आप देखोगे कि cells are vary from one organism to the cell size, cell shape and cell structures are vary from one organism to another organism. For example, the mycoplasma, they are belonging to the prokaryotes. The smallest cell सबसे छोटा सेल होता है, smallest cell of लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स. स्मॉलेस्ट सेल्स को ही आप नाम दो. दिस इज द साइज इज 0.3 माइक्रोमीटर इन लेंथ. द लार्जेस्ट सेल दैट इज नोन एज एग ऑस्ट्रिच. दिस इज द लार्जेस्ट सेल in the words. The size is near about 3 to 5 centimeter in length. And another human red blood cell that is known as RBCs. The size of RBC is 7 micrometer in diameters. And the nerve cell, this is the longest cell. Nerve cell is the longest cell of the body. सबसे बड़ी ये सेल मानी जाती है. इस तरह से अगर आप देखो तो माइकोप्लाज्मा, एग ऑस्ट्रिच, आरबीसी एंड नर्व सेल के शेप, साइज एंड स्ट्रक्चर दे आर वेरी विथ ईच अदर. मीन्स किसी भी सेल का शेप, साइज और स्ट्रक्चर एक जैसा नहीं मिलता है. Here is the some rough diagrams they are present in here. Here is the RBC cell. ये RBC के स्ट्रक्चर्स आपको इस तरह से होते हैं. They are non-nucleated cells, biconcaves and non-nucleated. Here is the structure of RBCs. RBC के इस तरह के स्ट्रक्चर्स आपको फॉर्म होंगे. And here is the structures of the nerve cells. Nerve cells is the longest cells of the body. ये लॉन्गेस्ट सेल्स होती है इन आवर बॉडी. इट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल फॉर नर्व कंडक्शंस आर नर्व इम्पल्सेस फ्रॉम इफेक्टर ऑर्गन टू ब्रेन्स. हियर इज द स्ट्रक्चर्स ऑफ द नर्व सेल. इस तरह से आई आपका. तो ये सबसे बड़ी सेल्स हमारे बॉडी के अंदर पाई जाती है, दैट इज नोन एज नर्व सेल. हियर इज द आरबीसी, हियर इज द नर्व सेल. एंड हियर इज द tracheids. Here is the tracheids. of xylums, here the tracheids of plants, here the tracheids of xylem elements. तो इस तरह से some structures are mentioned in here and they are vary with each other. तो इस तरह से यहीं पर an overview of the cells are totally finished. तो thank you, have a nice day all of you.